This is one of a few training centers that we have at the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, otherwise called CAL FIRE. We are world-renowned for our ability to protect the lives and property of California.
However, it doesn't stop being understaffed and saturated with work. To ask a person to do this is quite the tall order.
As the chief of CAL FIRE, a leader needs to show that they are a part of the team.
The employees are pretty awesome people, but they don't want to expose themselves. We can't be leaders unless we have a foundation of trust.
It's an emotional experience, and it takes you into key points in your life that made a difference in who you are and what your values are. This is not a quick process.
At first, I'm like, okay, I'll try to figure this out. And I like the list of all the different values, and I'm checking off which things work to me.
I began to realize how the little things that I never really think about actually had an impact on who I am today.
It's not just for work. This can be used in your family and with your spouse or your children.
The leadership components start with self-awareness. Direct reports, peers, or even supervisors understand the values that I bring forth.
To have a team that is emotionally and professionally connected in the way that we're able to by sharing our leadership point of view gives us a resilience that we wouldn't have had otherwise.